This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by ashley.link. Adorable bungalow on quiet street, perfect for any type of buyer, first-time, downsizer, and/or investor. Home is freshly painted, has lovely hardwood floors, a good flowing floor plan, sizable bedrooms with Jack and Jill bath access, cute back porch, and fenced-in backyard. Freshly painted interior, 2022, newer roof, 2015, HVAC 2016, vinyl windows, 2007, privacy fence, 2010, rebuilt front and back porch 2017-18, driveway 2016, shed as is. Close proximity to naval base and interstate access. For more information, review the details below.